Trucks have evolved far beyond simple cargo carriers. Today's models feature advanced technology, intelligent systems, and impressive designs that redefine what modern transportation can achieve. From autonomous transport vehicles to smart trailers capable of optimizing performance, these groundbreaking innovations are transforming logistics and shaping the future of the industry. They improve efficiency, safety, and sustainability while showcasing remarkable engineering. Whether you are passionate about trucks or simply fascinated by cutting-edge inventions, these extraordinary creations offer a glimpse into the future of transportation. Get ready to discover some of the most amazing truck inventions you absolutely need to see. Freightliner Active Lane Assist 2 enhances highway safety by helping drivers stay centered in their lane during long-distance trips. Using a combination of advanced radar and camera sensors, the system continuously monitors lane markings and provides gentle steering assistance to correct unintentional drifting. As part of the comprehensive Detroit Assurance Safety Suite, it adds an extra layer of protection while keeping the driver fully engaged and in control of the vehicle. In everyday operation, the technology reduces the need for constant steering corrections, helping minimize fatigue and improve driving comfort on extended journeys. By combining intelligent assistance with practical safety benefits, Active Lane Assist 2 delivers meaningful support that enhances both driver confidence and overall road safety. The Cramaro Tarp-All is an innovative tarping system that transforms flatbed truck operations through a practical safety-focused design. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame, weighing less than 2,000 pounds for a 48-foot trailer, its low-profile construction allows operators to deploy or retract a full-width tarp from ground level in under 3 minutes. The system features a one-piece RF-welded 27-ounce vinyl tarp, with double reinforced edges and a durable steel roller trolley for long-lasting performance in demanding conditions. By eliminating the need to climb onto loads, the Tarp-All significantly improves worker safety while reducing tarping time and weather-related delays. For fleets seeking greater efficiency and lower risk, it delivers real productivity gains and dependable everyday performance. The Fliegl SZS SDS Ultra is a heavy-duty trailer designed to enhance bale transport with a combination of durability, efficiency, and practical functionality. Featuring a gross vehicle weight of 29,000 kilograms and a spacious deck measuring 13,000 millimeters by 2,480 millimeters, it offers substantial carrying capacity for demanding agricultural operations. Its 385/65R, 22.5 tires and advanced air suspension system provide smooth handling while helping to reduce fuel consumption. The trailer also includes smart loading solutions, such as a hydraulically folding side structure that secures both round and square bales with ease. A full-width tarpaulin with integrated straps helps prevent material loss during transport. Built with real-world productivity in mind, the SZS SDS Ultra delivers dependable performance for everyday hauling tasks. The DAF digital vision system replaces conventional side mirrors with high-resolution cameras and interior displays, providing clearer visibility around the vehicle, particularly during lane changes, overtaking, and tight maneuvers. By improving aerodynamics, the system also contributes to lower fuel consumption. Features such as heated camera lenses, automatic image adjustment when turning, and enhanced protection in adverse weather conditions improve reliability and safety. Overall, it helps drivers stay more aware of their surroundings while reducing fatigue and increasing confidence on the road. The Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle trailer is engineered for demanding heavy haul applications, combining strength, durability, and operational efficiency. Constructed with high-strength T1 steel rated at 100,000 psi yield strength, its side rails and main beams are designed to withstand heavy loads and long-term use. One of its most notable features is the patented hydraulic flip axle system, which allows operators to quickly change axle configurations, reducing downtime and increasing versatility. Many models feature a low 22-inch deck height for easier loading, while 12-inch crossmember spacing enhances structural durability. Built for reliability and productivity, this trailer is designed to keep heavy transport operations running smoothly and efficiently. The Right Track System's Truck Track Conversion is an innovative solution designed to dramatically improve vehicle performance in challenging off-road environments. Compatible with virtually any truck or trailer, these rebuildable rubber track systems provide 500% to 700% more traction and flotation than conventional tires. The 30-inch wide tracks can be customized with heavy-duty grousers, ice cleats, or interchangeable tread patterns to handle mud, snow, sand, and other demanding terrains. One of the system's greatest advantages is its practicality. Installation or conversion can be completed in about an hour in the field. This quick transformation helps operators reduce downtime, improve mobility, and keep equipment working efficiently in conditions where standard tires may struggle. The KLP Coil Transport Cradle is an innovative solution that improves the safety and efficiency of steel coil transportation on flatbed trailers. Certified to 2V standards, it is designed to secure coils with diameters ranging from approximately 900 mm to 1,250 mm and supports loads of up to 10 tons per 2 cradle set. Instead of traditional wooden supports, it uses a durable reusable cradle made entirely from 100% recycled plastic. This lightweight design eliminates splinters, withstands demanding transport conditions, and simplifies return logistics. By enhancing load stability, reducing cargo movement, and minimizing the risk of coil damage, the KLP Cradle also delivers meaningful environmental and operational benefits for modern logistics. The Collett 150-ton girder frame trailer is engineered for demanding heavy-haul transport and exceptional load stability. Designed to carry oversized cargo within its girder frame, it lowers the overall transport height while distributing weight efficiently across a robust modular axle system. Its flexible modular configuration supports different axle arrangements, allowing it to adapt to complex routes and challenging transport requirements. Ideal for moving high-value transformers, industrial machinery, and other oversized equipment, the trailer improves clearance, enhances stability, and increases operational confidence. Built for the toughest heavy-haul applications, it delivers the strength, flexibility, and reliability required for specialized transport projects. The Schmitz Cargobull EcoPack adds practical efficiency to the company's aerodynamic trailer range. More than just a storage compartment for spare wheels and equipment, the box is designed to improve airflow and reduce fuel consumption by up to 3%. Lightweight and easy to access, it integrates seamlessly into the trailer's aerodynamic design. Combined with built-in telematics and LED lighting, the EcoPack delivers thoughtful features that help lower operating costs while simplifying everyday transport tasks. The Smart Truck UnderTray system is an innovative aerodynamic solution created to improve efficiency in everyday trucking operations. By optimizing airflow beneath the trailer, it reduces drag while helping keep brakes and tires cooler, contributing to longer component life. According to the manufacturer, the UT1 model can provide fuel savings of approximately 5.5%, while the complete UT6 system may deliver savings exceeding 10%. Lightweight, durable, and quick to install, the UnderTray system offers fleets a practical way to lower operating costs and meet evolving industry regulations. The Oricom TPS10 tire pressure monitoring system is a practical upgrade designed to provide added confidence during long journeys. Its solar-powered LCD display delivers real-time pressure and temperature readings for up to 10 tires, making it ideal for truck and trailer combinations. External sensors with IPX7 weather resistance ensure reliable operation in demanding conditions. Automatic audio and visual alerts warn drivers of high or low pressure issues, while optional repeaters support longer vehicle setups. Combining safety, convenience, and intelligent design, the TPS10 is well suited for everyday transport operations. The Steelbro Sidelifter is an innovative solution that gives transport operators the ability to load and unload shipping containers without relying on cranes or other lifting equipment. Designed to handle 20-foot, 40-foot, and high-cube containers, the SB450 model offers an impressive lifting capacity of up to 45 tons with a 3.9-meter outreach. Its low-profile crane design helps reduce wear, while fast-deploying stabilizers provide safe and precise operation. The system can also transfer containers between trailers and rail cars or stack them efficiently. In everyday logistics, this translates into faster turnaround times, reduced infrastructure dependence, and greater flexibility, giving transport companies a significant operational advantage.